Okay, here I am in the backyard with all the things that I'm going to be working on. I showed you this, everything before, and then I have some things, I bought some things, I made some things. One of the things I made was this ladder. It's a DIY dollar, $4. And I have it on my YouTube channel, and it's very simple to make. And I thought it would be nice to use tea towels or larger towels for 4th of July party, because you sometimes need more. But you could also put blankets on it if you were going to, start a fire later in the evening. It would be nice to have some blankets there for people to get cozy with. These are some old shutters I had that I painted, and I'm going to place them up here next to the planter there to give it some festive coloring and background. This is a trash to treasure I got out of the trash, and it was cracked up, and I filled it all in and painted it to put up here on the wall. It works fine. It had glass on it. Someone broke the glass. When I walked by it the first time, the glass wasn't broken. I should have grabbed it then. But I don't know, I probably would have had to take the glass off to get to this part, because this is the part that was broken. Someone stepped on the back of it. And it was still in its package. It may have happened at a store. But I like it with the red and white, and then when I do a different theme, I will paint it another color. It's just a matter of painting the edge. And I put the star on for the holiday, but I'll put something else. A lemon if it's lemon, or a flamingo when I do a flamingo. But I'm going to change it up back here at different times for different holidays or celebrations that we have, because I just thoroughly enjoy doing that. I repainted my table and chairs. They're iron, and this table, I mentioned that, I already did that. And then I have some planters, a plant stand, some plants that I planted, and I put some plants in here and had to add a few things because it hadn't fluffed up yet, and I wanted to get this video done today. So I just put a little wire on the back of this, on that little level that you can open the shutters with when you're using them for a window. And then I put a nail up here so I can just hang that. And the clock already had something to hang with. Put that here. I don't like this background, but it needs to be painted. So for now, it will have to do. I measured from the top to make sure these were even, and across, make sure everything was level. And I also used a level because I think it really helped. You can't really see that bottom. Let me take that down a little bit. I like these bright placemats. I got them at PIER ONE. They have everything on sale in the month of June, 1st of June. And these I got at PIER ONE, and I use them a lot. these are my basic white plates that I use in my RV. And I have these, they're country, which is not really the look I'm going for, so I decided to just put a white plate over it, and then you have the different layers, which I really like. And also, my sister saw these at Pier One and loved them, so I got those. I'm not really sure. They're colorful and they're fun, but I don't know. They're not. I'm not sure they're the right thing for this, but I'll try it different ways. And I already see I need to pull this out. This silver, which matches those. Okay, so I thought this would be good for, I think I said drinks or something like that, or salad. But I probably put it farther back, but for the picture, I'm going to put it right there. And then another lamp. And these have bulbs in them, so they give off quite a bit of light. And then I'll be putting my drinks on here. I may use another table, and I would like to set up like a food table and show you what I would do. And then these were at Pier One for $3.50, which I think is a very good price. So that's the basic setup. I think this probably needs to come up. You don't want to, I don't know, maybe in between, something like that. It's kind of hidden here. I think I have to tell people to use those. I don't know if they would know to. And then also the little chair for the little ones. I want to get a couple more of them. I have 2 small children, grandchildren. And I have an old fire pit back there. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. Maybe not. Oh yes, it's underneath that table. I'll probably have to move this. And if you can see it, I have some candles in the bottom. The pit is old, and it was a DIY by someone else, so I will have to work on that, restone something. And so I just put a few candles in the bottom, and over there is where I would put the food table because the concrete is level. This concrete needs a lot of work, but I just didn't want to keep waiting because this is a lot of fun, and I love having get-togethers with my family. I have this popcorn seen these, and it rolls, which I just figured that out today. But anyways, it has a top that goes with it also. I got this for $10. Very excited for popcorn, but I thought, you know, I could put something in here and a lot of ice, and we could use this for soda. So that's another thing, trash to treasure.